Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a lime mojito at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh mint leaves, juicy limes, and your favorite white rum. You'll also need some simple syrup or granulated sugar and a splash of club soda. Make sure you have a sturdy muddler and a tall glass ready to go. This easy method will have you enjoying a delicious drink in no time. Now, let's get mixing. Place about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves and 2 to 3 lime wedges into your glass. Gently muddle them together to release their aromatic oils and juices without tearing the mint. Next, pour in 1½ ounces of white rum and 1 ounce of simple syrup. Fill your glass completely with ice, then top it off with crisp club soda for that perfect fizz. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And speaking of keeping things clean after you've enjoyed your delicious mojito, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleanup. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, perfect for keeping your home spotless. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Almost there. Give your mojito a gentle stir with a spoon to ensure all the flavors are beautifully combined. You want to mix everything without losing the carbonation from the club soda. For a professional touch, garnish your refreshing drink with a fresh lime wheel and a vibrant mint sprig. Serve your homemade lime mojito immediately and savor every cool, zesty sip. Cheers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.